3.
Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me show you how to make a Lego helicopter. It's so exciting. Okay, so the robber just break this. So let's go. So first I have to fix this fan. They know that's wrong. Done. It moves like this when you blow. No? Now this wooden paddle landing. Done. Now one handcuffs. Now who is one uncle, a police uncle, and the pilot. Now let me just put this here. Okay, this is here. Oh, wait a second. Okay, done. The gun is out. And this one here. Okay, bye. I love you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. He subscribes to my channel and go to Isla's account and subscribe. Bye.